my weekly grocery haul. As always, I went to Aldi and to Walmart. I spent a little bit more than usual this week, mainly because I bought myself a coat. I really needed one. So, yeah, spent more, but, you know, sometimes you gotta have a coat. So, I'm going to go through the Walmart stuff first, just to switch it up a little bit. I think I put all the Walmart stuff in this general area here, so let's get to it. First and foremost, I bought a whole crap ton of coffee creamer. My husband likes the original. I didn't want him to run out. He usually goes through 2. I bought him an extra one just to be on the safe side, because last week he ran out, like the day before I went shopping, and then he went to the grocery store, to the corner store, and spent more than I would at Walmart. And just for the sake of the budget, I went ahead and picked up 3. Yes, it's a lot of coffee creamer. Yes, he drinks a lot of coffee. I also picked up some coffee creamer for myself. This is the sugar-free peppermint mocha, which is one of my favorites, especially this time of year. Also from Walmart, I picked up these little mandarin oranges because they were on sale for $1.50. These are teeny tiny. My kids will probably have to eat like 4 of them to be satisfied, but I don't know. They looked really good, and they were only $1.50, so I picked those up. I also got some American cheese slices there. I picked up these heavy-duty scouring pads from Scotch-Brite so that I can clean my oven this week. Also, for the purposes of cleaning my oven, I picked up the fume-free oven cleaner. We were all out of rinse aid, so I picked up that. Some of these flushable wipes. For the bathroom, what else from Walmart? I bought a whole crap ton of pudding cups because my husband asked for pudding cups, and I knew if I bought my husband pudding cups, my kids would want pudding cups, and I couldn't decide what flavor to get them, so I just got them like one of everything, and then I also got myself some pudding cups. So, how many times did I just say pudding cups? It's a lot. Okay, so I got the Jell-O ones. These are the chocolate vanilla swirl, the sugar-free. They're nice for a little sweet treat. For the kids, I got chocolate, vanilla, tapioca, and butterscotch, and yes, that will last longer than a week. We're stocked up. And then for my husband, I bought these super-sized snack pack puddings in the butterscotch because that's what he asked for. Also from Walmart, I picked up a can of coffee because we're just about out of that, and a couple of bags of potato chips, some original and some sour cream and cheddar. And then I also picked up the coat here. I got it from the men's section. It's nothing fancy, but it'll keep me warm. So that was Walmart. Now we'll move on to Aldi. I got some apples, and of course I went to Aldi before I went to Walmart, so I bought oranges, and then I turned around and bought the mandarins. So we're stocked up on citrus. Some carrots. I'm going to make a cabbage soup this week, so I need the carrots for that, as well as for a shepherd's pie. I'm going to make a venison shepherd's pie. I bought the cabbage for that soup, some iceberg lettuce. Romaine's a no-no right now, so iceberg lettuce we needed for tacos anyway. Some yellow onions, some Roma tomatoes. That's for Taco Tuesday. Let's move these potato chips out of the way here. In addition to tacos, we're also going to do fajitas this week, so I got some fajita shells. Did I already say yellow onions? I feel like I'm all over the place. Sorry, guys. Yellow onions, a couple of cans of diced tomatoes. That's for the cabbage soup. The green chilies and diced tomatoes are for taco night. I got some butter. We needed some sticks as well as the spreadable butter, so I got both. Some deli stuff for my husband for his lunches. I got him some pepper jack cheese and some Munster cheese. I also got some turkey and roast beef for him for that. And for here at the house too. We'll eat that for lunches around here as well. I got some ground chicken. That's for taco night. The chicken breast tenderloins are for the chicken fajitas. I got some ranch dressing because we're all out of that. Some Mexican style cheese for those tacos. Some milk. Picked up a case of Diet Cola. I like their Diet Cola. I think it tastes a lot like regular Diet Coke. Picked up some bread, 2 white breads, a whole wheat bread, and I also got some hot dog buns because we're going to make some meatball sandwiches this week, and we're going to just do them on hot dog buns. Super easy. Sour cream for tacos. A few yogurts for the kids and I, so just a variety of these kinds here, and then a couple of Greeks, taco shells for those tacos, the meatballs for the meatball sandwiches, super easy peasy, tortilla chips to go with taco night. And did I mention the marinara sauce earlier? I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm all over the place. But that's it for my grocery haul this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, despite the rambling and the back and forth. I spent about 145 bucks, I think. I'm going to put the totals on the screen for you guys so you'll know for sure. But keep in mind that almost 40 of that was my coat. So, you know, I think I did pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.